Okay, I'm gonna start messing with this guy. So like this is, you know, typical of a mechanical makeover application. Here. These little screws here. I don't know that these have ever been taken off. Okay. So this grain is connected right there. I'm attempting to pop it, right? There's on the back side of this board, there's a cut right about where that pencil mark is, but it's coming through the back side. There's a cut right there, and there's a cut on the back side. So there should be a little shelf there. So I'm gonna try to pop it here. Oh, there you go. Hear that crack? Okay. So. Listen. You come down here, listen to this sound, ready? Ready? That's that sound of that. That's a fresh break right there. This is a cypress jam. I mean, you can see, oh, nice. Oh, look at that, huh? What is that? That's interesting, look, see? Cum. C-U-M-M. I don't know what that is. This is Cyprus, so it's probably a local company. There's this guy. Okay, Goldie, here's what you can do, okay? Look, we need some clear space over there. So if you could you move that ladder and stuff like that, well, I'll have you do what I'm doing over there, right? That way, you know, we got enough space to play around. And then, you know, then you can do that one and I'll do this one, and then we'll meet in the corner. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, and if I beat you, you know, in the race, you know, then I'll jump on that one. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, it's not really a race, but you know how people are. They kind of race when in that situation. You know, I mean, they want to know if they can beat the boss or not. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's a challenge. There's no challenge here because we're just, you know, doing good stuff. This is called a mold window, right? This is a mullion. This piece in between the two windows. You know, thanks, Goldie. And what I'm going to attempt to do is leave this side intact and take the door off of this side. Hopefully there's a cavity I can reach both sets of weights. Wouldn't that be good? That way I can leave this stop where it needs to be. I don't have to reinstall it, create new nail holes, stuff like that. So how do you do high quality work? Well, I'm still figuring that out, but I think that's one of the ways. Hopefully my theory is correct. I'll show you this tool I have. Isn't that cool? It's like a little thumbtack remover. I think I got it at a flea market for like $1 or something. Oh yeah. Well, see, it's still connected at the bottom. See how it's not wanting to come off? But again, violence. Oh yeah. See? Isn't that nice? Oh look. What is that? C-U-M-M-E-R? All right. Oh, but look. There's a stud in there. Bam. Can't get all the way through. That's a drag. Man, look how nice this piece is, man. I mean, it's like it's never been touched. And I don't even want to pry it off, you know, but I guess I'm gonna have to, huh? All right, so look, something like this here, it's like pristine and untouched. You know, I definitely don't want to go in through this way. I've already got some scarring right here. The sash is going up and down, and I won't be able to see. I won't be able to see the scar. Okay, so here's what I'm going to try to do. Okay, like those nails are still in place. What if I can take that door off and be able to put that stop right back on? I don't know. I mean, I'll always say that, you know, you always got to take the stops off, but look, I'm trying to not disturb, you know, the quality of this window, you know what I'm saying? So, ready? Oh, there it goes. Okay. Oh, look, okay, I got the door off. Yeah, you want to take these doors off gently. We'll take these weights out, and we'll start doing the rope thing on that, okay? All right. Just do the one, okay? That way I can make sure I beat you. No, just joking. All right. No, it's all right. You know, fix the contest, you know? The boss always wins, right? You know? Everybody loves the king under penalty of death. Yeah. Man, I mean, look how straight that grain is, man. I mean, just gonna, I mean, these windows are so perfect. I wonder if we're gonna get any writing on that one. Did we get writing on this one? Oh, check it out.
Ooh.
Ooh.
It's a frame company.
Genuine Tidewater red cypress frames. That's cool. That's some history right there. Red cypress Tidewater. Oh man, these are beautiful. All right. So you seen me do this before, Goldie? Put this mouse through. You have?
Yeah.
All right. So just slide up through this guy right there. Oh, this might be challenging because let's see if I can get that up there. But you always want to do the one that's closest to the outside first, also. Come on now. Oh, okay. Now I'm clicking with gas. I was thinking maybe I should have just taken the whole pulley off. And apparently, that's what I'm supposed to do. Look, spider. Oh, you know what we could do? If I'm going to take him out like this, putting WD-40 in it's going to be easy. You got your rope done already? Oh, I'm losing this. I didn't even recognize I'm losing the race. What the heck? How'd you get it through?
I just slide it through, right?
You
slide it through. I just basically go all the way through and it drops.
did you use a chain? You know, there's no second place, man. Only first loser. Dang. Unbelievable. Now what am I going to do? Now I just got showed up by my helper. Man. What do you do when that happens? Well, I guess you congratulate the guy, 'cause that's pretty awesome. That's what he's supposed to do. Now, get this, right? If you want to be good at your work, okay, here's what you do. Right? You do the best you can at what you have in your hand right now, and then you watch your buddy, right? And either your buddy's doing better or he's not, right? If he's doing better, well, then you adopt his methods, right? And then now you're both as fast, right? So that's how you get better at your job, you know? I mean, you think I'm going to keep on doing the way I'm doing it? No, I'm going to adopt his way. His way's faster. Hello? Jeez. You know, a bunch of boneheaded people want to stick with their own way. when their own way is not even working. Jeez, whatever. Not me, man. I'm still stuck on it, man. I'm like, I can't get off the fact that I look over and I'm still doing the first one and Goldie is done.
The doors back on?
Put the sashes in first, see if they work. Okay? And then once you know that everything's working fine, working good, then you can take the bottom sash back out, pop out that parting, because we also got to put parting beads in there. But you want to make sure everything's working right, and then you can put the doors back on, close it up, and go to the next one.